everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm really excited to give you a complete 3D tour of a unique small space project. This is a modern, minimalist loft house designed on a compact footprint of just 4 by 6 meters. The exterior, as you notice, the sleek, clean lines of the design like white facade paired with natural wood accents, a flat gray roof, consistent colors, and a metal gate that gives it a secure yet open feel. At the side of the house, there's a narrow paved walkway that leads to private backyard area, which we'll look at closer in just a moment. Now, let's step inside and start our tour in the kitchen. Standing here, you see the practical heart of the home. From the cabinets, lower and upper ones, to the refrigerator designed to save space, modern hood, and gas stove. This galley-style kitchen doesn't take up much room, but it offers everything you need for daily cooking. Right next to the kitchen, you'll find the bathroom. It is a highly functional wet room, completely tiled from floor to ceiling with simple white square tiles, which makes cleaning a breeze with a modern equipment like shower, vanity, and pan in small room like this, and managed to have also shower rail. Moving into the main living area, this is really the focal point of the house design. Underneath the stairs, we have a small, multi-purpose table setup, perfect for a quick meal or for working from home and cabinet as well. Across from that space, we have a cozy entertainment zone with enough TV unit space, coffee table, and a modern sofa to define the sitting space. These furniture fit only 4 by 2 meters. And finally, let's look up. This is one of my favorite features, the hanging loft bed. Suspended securely from the ceiling, this raised sleeping area gives us back all the floor space we need underneath. Accessing the bed is simple via the staircase. The design acts as a visual separator, creating a dedicated zone for relaxing while keeping the main room uncluttered. Now, let's wrap this tour up by stepping out back. Just through the sliding glass doors off the living room, we have a tiny private outdoor extension where you can make laundry features a wall cabinet for extra storage, keeping the outdoor area neat and tidy. Even with its small footprint, this 4 by 6 meter loft house proves that you don't need a massive space to live comfortably. It's smart, it's modern, and it's beautifully practical. Thank you so much for watching this tour with me. If you enjoyed the design, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more small space ideas. See you in the next one.